Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete your account on Credit Karma. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Credit Karma app. So once you tap open your Credit Karma, you need to now tap on the login option and get logged in into your account. So once you're logged in into your account, you'll end up in this page where all you need to do now is simply tap on the three lines which are like hamburger icon on the right hand side of the corner, which will give you this kind of menu bar. So now from all this menu bar, all you need to do is simply tap on the profile option. So once you tap on profile, you will end up in this page. So now all you gotta do is simply scroll through this page and go to the bottom of the page. So once you scroll it, you can find the close my account option. So simply tap on it and it will show this kind of info on your screen. So simply hit the yes, close my account, and your account will be deleted in Credit Karma. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.